Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Prevue. This is Prevue. As you can see, this is Prevue AI or HR, but still Prevue HR for human resources, and what it does is talent assessments for a better workforce. It gives you the percentage for the job fit. It helps you predict on the job success and hire top talent faster with their powerful assessment tool. So it has a pre-employment assessment that takes the guesswork out of your hiring. You can use their science-based, science-backed assessment and hiring tools to find candidates that fit. They have the assessment suite that combines aptitude, motivation, and personality assessment, giving you a complete view of your candidates. It has the aptitude part that measures a candidate's learning speed and proficiency with words, numbers, and shapes. Also has a personality aspect that evaluates certain definable traits, uncovering a candidate's behavior, tendencies, and interaction style. You can explore the talent solution here. So it makes better hiring decisions faster. They help hiring easier. They help make hiring easier with science-backed assessment that reviews each candidate's potential, from cognitive ability to personality and motivation. The tool helps to identify top talent quickly so you can make confident, data-driven decisions and build a stronger team. So, Prevue HR is a talent platform with powerful insights across the entire employee journey, streamlining your hiring process with ease. To design for efficiency, it requires no extensive training, so your team can start assessing candidates quickly. This is an example of candidate assessed. Sophia, this is the percentage. So, with these data-driven evaluations, you can easily make informed hiring decisions, build higher performing teams, and find the right talent faster. You want to see how it works? Click here. So Prevue is also a top-rated talent assessment platform loved by recruiters, hiring managers, and candidates. You want to see the latest Prevue HR insights? Just check it out here. So it helps to unlock your hiring potential. It lets you objectively get to know a candidate, and Prevue makes the subscription process really simple. It works. If you're ready to give it a try, click here. It's as simple as that.